Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn about security group with membership called dynamic device. So by using a dynamic device membership, you could create automate devices list. So if you look at in one of my Microsoft Entra tenant, you could see there are multiple devices are listed from all devices. And as you can see, some of them are Linux, some of them are Windows, Android, iPhone, different platform devices we have. And we also have different version. And what if we want to, find out some attribute based group to be created and you wanted to have a control, then that's where you're going to use the Microsoft Entra dynamic grouping. So in this case, if you see here, these are the device attributes that can be used in order to create your devices. For example, if you are trying to find out device category as a bring your own device, only the personal devices will be listed. Similarly, a device that as the manufacturer may be coming from Samsung or from Apple in this case, or Dell or Lenovo, you could, create a device manufacturer. And if you're talking about the model also is supported fully here. So these are the different type of device OS also you could, find out a different type you could, create. So let's actually make something called the device ownership. In this case, the ownership for that device is equals to company. So if a device is owned by company, it means that it's not a personal device, so you have a full control. So you need to know manage. So in my case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to use this simple query by trying to build to find out what are those machines that belongs to company and other machines that doesn't belongs to uh, company. So for that, I can simply create from a groups, all groups, and new group in this case, and select here as a security and give a meaningful group name, including the description. And this time we're going to choose here dynamic device as a membership type. And we'll build the query and we use this property. If you remember, it was talking about the ownership. So we would, simply drill down here to find out the ownership. That's a device ownership. And we know that if equals as a company, then it's a company owned device. So simply save and create. This should list all the company owned devices. And similarly, I should be able to create one more group called BYOD devices. That's nothing but the bring your own devices in short, and dynamic device group. And I can say the same thing as a department is, or the model or the device ownership is not equals to company. Or I could type here personal so that it's going to list BYOD devices automatically. Now from all groups, I could, filter out all company-owned devices, the first group that we created, and you could see here the members are much more machines that are listed as a company-owned devices. You can find this more about the dynamic group membership, in this case as a company, and you could modify or additional expressions also can be added. For example, all these are company owned, but I wanted just from with the and condition, I wanted from a location, a manufacturer as Dell or model with a specific model like these, configurations you could do it and more filter so that by having these kind of groups, you could target your applications more accurately for granting the permissions on some of the applications or maybe in that case for your Azure resources. So that being said, I hope I made it easy for you. Thank you for watching this.